Blue. It indicates the charging state. When it flashes quickly, it indicates the fast charging state, CC. When it flashes slowly, it indicates the constant voltage charging stage, CV. When it is always on, it indicates that it is in floating charge state, CF, or standby mode. Green. It represents the state of load output. When it stays on, it indicates normal working state. When it flashes, it indicates that it is currently in on mode but does not meet the conditions of on. When it is off, it indicates off mode. Red. It will flash when there is a fault but it can still run. It will always be on when the fault causes it to stop working. When it is off, it indicates normal.